Hi, everyone. This is Amani Ragab Hacking, immigration attorney working out of our offices here in St. Louis, Missouri. We also have an office in Washington, D.C. and in San Diego, California. Our number is 314-961-8200. Today, I want to answer a question that I get asked quite often, and it is, what happens if I move? How will that impact my immigration case? One of the top ways that your immigration case can get messed up or delayed or even denied is by moving and not notifying USCIS. So why is that the case? One, you have a duty as an immigrant when you file an application with USCIS to make sure that you update your immigration address, because if they don't have your address, how are they going to notify you? They actually use the post office. Sometimes they call. It's very unusual if they call. You should be very suspicious if they call, but any official notice from them will come through the mail, and they will send any notice to whatever address they have on file. So it can be an address that you had 3 or 4 years ago if you're an asylum applicant. It can be an address you had a year ago if you married and didn't notify them of the new address when you moved and were married. They can notify you of a request for evidence. They can notify you of an interview. They can notify you of an approval or a notice of intent to deny. They're really significant legal documents that they will be sending to you. So the most important thing to remember is you have to make sure within 10 days of moving that you notify USCIS. You go straight on their website. There's an AR-11 for standard cases with USCIS. There are other forms that you use depending on the situation, the type of case that you're in. But the most important thing is, one, try not to move. But if you move, please make sure you notify them so they have your correct address, so you have the ability to save a case and protect your case and all the work that you put into that case. And that includes with your lawyer as well. Make sure that your lawyer has the most up-to-date address. And if you have a lawyer, make sure that they have your lawyer's information. There are very serious consequences to not doing that. So addresses are really, really important. Make sure they're up to date.